Good morning, everyone. I'm Viji, Assistant Professor in English, Valala College of Education, Erode. I'm here to discuss something about communication. In our previous classes, we discussed about what is communication, what is the role played by the communication, and now we people are going to discuss about the characteristics of communication. Why? Why should we discuss all those things? Because the nature of communication, it can be explained by using the characteristics only. So that is what we are going to discuss now. So we have a list of characteristics for this communication, and let me list out one by one. The first thing is exchange of ideas. So in our previous class itself, we discussed that communication is nothing but exchanging information. And for this exchanging of information, we need at least two persons, and it should be a two-way process. If one person is simply talking and another one is keeping mum, surely it will not be effective. So that two-way process should be implemented there, and it should be pervasive in nature also, and management function. And the next one is encoding and decoding. Once the sender is forwarding a message, it should be received by the listener, and again the listener should encode the message and it should be received by the sender. Then only there will be proper encoding and decoding, and it is a continuous process. Communication should be always a continuous process. Then it should be oral or written. In the previous class, we discussed about the verbal and non-verbal behavior, and when comparatively speaking, non-verbal is being implemented by the human being. And here we can convey the message oral or written. In both the forms, we can convey the message, and based on the organizational structure, it can be classified as formal or informal also, and through channel based on the channel also it can be classified. So these are the characteristics of communication, and now people are going to discuss the importance of communication. Why that much of importance is being given to the communication? Yes, of course, social advancement has to be matched with the development of efficient techniques of communication in order to sustain the tempo of growth. In modern professional organizations, a great deal of importance is therefore attached to devising and maintaining an efficient system of communication. This enables the gathering and marshalling of data which is necessary for decision making. Thus, the role of English in the professional world is still dominant, and we have therefore focused our attention on the conventions of communication in English followed in India. And let's discuss some importance of this communication. Through this communication, we can express our thoughts, ideas, and feelings. We can create some awareness, and we can fulfill our goals. We can avoid the isolation, and we can highlight some issues through this communication. And it also helped us for the progress and development of human being, and through this communication we can educate the masses also. So these are the importance of communication. In the upcoming classes, we people are going to discuss how a communication should be effective and how it has been classified. So this is what we are going to discuss in our forthcoming classes. Thank you for listening. Thank you so much.